Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Jen and
Marcello.
All right, so we decided we're gonna give you guys a little bonus because you guys hung out with us. So we're gonna do a little bonus to our last video. This is gonna be wrapped around holistics, correct?
Holistic well-being. So in our last presentation, and it was a request of, okay, well, what tools and resources are you using? Well, we are using Gamma.app. And as you can see this, and I left it on this slide from where we were before, what all things, and trends about holistic and the mind, body, and soul and things like that. But that's just one presentation. And so the question that came up was, and yes, I am scrolling through this. You can always download the notes and get the presentation as a blueprint. But one of the questions that came up was, okay, great, that's fine and dandy, but what the heck am I going to say? And I learned something recently, which is called the glossary method. If you don't know what that is, it's where you say, for instance, I already have it, by the way, prepped in ChatGPT, which I'll go to in just a second. But in Google, what you would type in is holistic glossary. All right, and let's just hit enter. All right, and so there are a lot of people that have definitions and meanings, a glossary. Oh my gosh, Holistic Chamber of Commerce. Did you know? I did not know. So it looks like there is a lot out there. Let's
Alternative medicine.
Alternative. Let's go ahead and let's go to, well, what is this? Glossary holistic terms. Let's just go here. We're just going to Sacramento. We're going to, so acupuncture, applied
kinesiology.
I can't see it. Aromatherapy, I can. And what's that? The essential oils. I do like some essential oils, but for those of you that know me, I have the nose of a bloodhound. And unfortunately, some aromatherapy I can smell before I even enter the door. So that's a hard pass for me. But oh my goodness, good sandalwood.
Brain spotting.
I have no idea. Focus treatment method that works by identifying, processing, and relating to releasing core, whatever sources. All right. Cool. So I'm not the holistic person, but I did say that I would expand on why we're talking about this. So the point is, all of these terms that you see, and we went to ChatGPT to see what it would turn out as well. So we'll go there now. Got you like the smaller condensed version, but you could always compare the GPT to what's out there in the glossary. But the point is you take these glossary terms and now you have yourself a mini presentation. You have, if you're on TikTok, you have yourself a YouTube short. You can say, hey, today we're going to be covering breath work, and what does that mean? And boom, you got yourself a presentation. You want to talk about aromatherapy, you can break that up into like 5 segments. Easy. Right there. Pick your
astrology.
Oh my god.
Well, how many you can do in astrology?
But that's not this.
Well, you never know.
Yeah, it's not in this. I'm going based on what's on the screen. Anyway, so what we're saying is, in regards to the holistic glossary of holistic terms, well-being. This one was from ilovewellbeing.com, not ours, but it gives you an idea of different things you can talk about and incorporate. You can go into ChatGPT. It gives you, a holistic health, mindfulness, probiotics. Okay, another topic. Hey, today we're going to be talking about probiotics, what that's all about, how it's good bacteria for your stomach, what it can do for you, how it can get you into, feeling better. I live by probiotics.
Reiki.
Chiropractic. Okay, I can tell you a story. My grandfather was a chiropractor. I've been going to a chiropractor. I even worked for one many, many moons ago. I know that it's great. Get you rebalanced, get all those little kinks and knots out of your neck and back. If you like that kind of stuff, I think it's awesome. There you go. There's another short. There's another video. So in this one gives you 25. You can always say awesome. Always say thank you. Thank you. Now create 25 more. So while we're talking, I'm going to have ChatGPT see what it can do to continue this glossary. Crystal healing, Tai Chi, herbs, sound healing. Okay, so I'm giving a shout out to my group at RAD, our ambassador group.
Yeah, ambassador group.
Yep. Apparently I'm dropping marbles tonight, but I'm giving a shout out to our group anyways. We did a sound healing, one of our, and this is actually dedicated to one of our holistic members. Shout out to you. And look,
the tapping theory,
tapping and sound healing. We even brought up the sound bowl. And again, these are all ideas, and regardless of what it is that you do, here's just a couple of thoughts to help develop you and your business, your well-being, that can take you to the next level. Finding things to say, finding things on how to get your business out there, get known, and then get monetized. This right here, you got yourself 50 videos, 50 shorts. How do you want to incorporate it? You can incorporate these into your presentation as well. So I think that's pretty awesome. From here, what we're going to do is we've got a list. And like I said, you have so many options from this that you're like, okay, this is awesome. What else can I do? And you just keep breaking it down. You can talk easily on holistic therapy. What is it? What kind of treatments are there? How does it affect? What will it achieve? How does it focus on the mind, body, and spirit? You can do it in a short. You can do it in a long. You can do it in a presentation. You have a lot of options right here. Join us at our schools. We'll be talking more about how you can incorporate methods like this along with other AI tools and resources to help you develop your personal and business development. And we're always happy to answer any questions. Throw some ideas and questions at us, what we can do to research, make things easier for you. So here's cheers to you. Hope to see you next time. And thank you for joining us here at
Coffee, sometimes tea. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.